Eagle Mountain-Saginaw is a district of 22,000 students just north of Fort Worth, Texas. With 29 buildings and thousands of student assets to keep track of, Eagle Mountain needed a support platform that could work with the combined needs of their maintenance team and their IT department.
We thought we were just looking for an inventory management system. And as we started talking to the other groups, we had work order needs, both in technology and on the maintenance side.
Finally, they found Incident IQ, the workflow management platform built for K-12. Incident IQ combines powerful help ticketing, asset management, and maintenance work orders, which quickly streamline Eagle Mountain's workflows.
We actually established workflows for our teams, which was something we weren't really doing. We tried to do on our old platform and were unsuccessful, especially on our operations side. They've really tailored it now over the last several months to really hit a lot of the needs, and it's making them a lot more efficient. On our ticketing side, we're doing a much more efficient job of getting the ticket to the person that actually needs to be doing the job.
Eagle Mountain-Saginaw saw improvement in workflows across the entire district by moving to a unified support platform.
For the technology team and the operations leadership, it's been awesome. They absolutely love it.
Interested in learning more? Check out incidentiq.com for more district success stories.